Alright, so this is the plane that we're using for our project. Basically everything on here is controlled by all the stuff in the cockpit. We'll talk about that later. Basically the plane is powered by a battery, which then powers all the other circuitry and the radio inside the cockpit. So the first basic part of the plane that we have is the wings. First of all, you need to know how the wings work. Basically, according to Bernoulli principle, whenever a fluid has a faster velocity, it will exert less pressure. So basically the wings use this principle by making the air above the wings have a faster velocity, giving them less pressure, and the pressure under the wings pushes the plane up, giving it lift. Next are the ailerons. They provide elevation or decreased elevation depending on how they're raised or not raised, and you can raise them in opposite directions to make the plane turn. Next we have this motor. It's powered by the board and the battery. When it's given power, it spins really fast, giving the plane thrust, and if you put the propeller on it, it can fly. Next we have the rudder and the vertical part of the tail. Vertical stabilizer. So we have the rudder and the vertical stabilizer. This provides vertical alignment, and the rudder allows the plane to be able to turn more with the ailerons helping. We have the horizontal stabilizer here, which allows the plane to become horizontally stabilized, and it just keeps it flat. And then we have the elevator here in the back, which helps with elevation, and all the rudder, the elevator, and the ailerons are all powered by the board.